Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to DIY organization things that you can use in many spaces of your home. I will also share with you how you can declutter things and make some extra cash along the way. It's important to declutter things you don't need or aren't using so you can get organized to bring in the new year. I want to thank Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Poshmark is, it's an app that you can download free on your phone. Here you can buy, sell your clothes, shoes, bags, or any accessories. To sell an item, all you have to do is click the sell button, take a picture of what you're selling, and add the info. The buyer pays for shipping, so you just print the shipping label and send it off. Here are some of the things I will be listing in my Poshmark account. I will add more as I go through things I no longer want. So to see everything I have and to download Poshmark, I will leave the link in the description box. If you have an account or when you make one, leave me your name down below so I can follow you and check out your closet. There are a lot of amazing things that you can find here. It's all organized into categories to help you find what you're looking for, so definitely make sure to check the link in my description box to download the app. Thank you Poshmark for partnering with me in today's video. Now let's go ahead and get into the DIYs. For the first DIY, I'm making a marble board to place on top of the closet shelf. Here I used 2 foam boards, 4 square mirror coasters, bling wrap from Hobby Lobby, a tape measure, pen, scissors, and marble contact paper from Lowe's. The quantity of supplies you will need depends on the size of your shelf. These are the shelves in the guest room closet that I wanted to glam up. I'm starting off by measuring the shelf so I can cut out the foam boards to fit. To make sure the foam boards fit on the shelf, I added both pieces on. Now that I see that it fits, I'm going to go ahead and connect them using tape. After I tape them, I'm going to start adding the marble contact paper on top and use a mirror to remove the air bubbles. You can use a credit card, but I just used this because I already had it on hand. I folded the leftover contact paper at the bottom of the foam boards and placed it on top of the shelf. This step is optional. You can hot glue the mirrors on each side to add more glam, or you can leave it without. Both look beautiful, so it's up to you. I definitely wanted to add the thick bling wrap from Hobby Lobby because the gems on here are so stunning. It's already sticky, so I laid it at the front of the board. Here's how the Glam marble shelf turned out, you guys. It's so pretty and it was super easy to make. If you don't know what to do to your closet to give it a little upgrade on a budget, I highly recommend this DIY. If you ever get tired of the marble contact paper, you can go ahead and change it up because it's removable. Let me know what you think of this first DIY. I'm so excited with the outcome. I showed you guys in the beginning of the video that I listed these heels in my Poshmark closet. They're Steve Madden rhinestone and glitter pumps that are absolutely gorgeous. I never wore them. They were an impulse buy because you know I love my glam. They sat in the closet looking pretty, so it's definitely time to let them go. I know someone will enjoy them and actually wear them, so I wanted to give you a good view of them if you're interested. Another item I wanted to show you in video is this mini bag I have listed as well. It comes with a silver chain so you can wear on your shoulder or use as a crossbody bag. For the second DIY, you will need a small cardboard box, or it can even be a shoe box. You will need marble contact paper, tape, thin blank strips from Hobby Lobby, and a box cutter. I didn't need the pen after all. I removed all the folding sides from the top of the box and the bottom. The only part I left is the bottom long folding sides to hold things in. I taped the bottom and cut out contact paper and wrapped it like a present. I lost footage of me wrapping and adding the blank strips around, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. Here's how the Glam storage box turned out, you guys. You can add wallets, socks, slippers, magazines, pictures, or whatever you have in mind, and I know it would make the most beautiful storage unit. I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can use the storage box in different spaces for organization. If you decide to recreate any of these DIYs, please share them with me on Instagram. It's Lgqueenhomedecor. I would love to see how yours turned out. For the third DIY, you will need contact paper, foam board, and scissors. I'm going to be making an organization drawer. For this DIY, I just measured the cabinet, cut out the foam board, and wrapped it with contact paper. I measured the little pieces I wanted to use as dividers. I didn't need hot glue or anything, I just made sure they fit snug to the drawer and they stayed in place. These are very convenient to separate items in your drawer to create a more organized space. I really like how this one was really easy and affordable to make to create an expensive glam look. For the last DIY, you will need little gems, seasoning container, or an empty salt and pepper set you can find at the Dollar Tree, and a hot glue gun. I put some glue in the middle of the seasoning container and I added the gems. I had a set of about 30 different seasoning spices and herbs. I wasn't using all of them, so I emptied the ones I didn't use and turned them into my picture hanging containers. You can use this idea for anything small you want to keep organized, like hair clips, hair bows, paper clips, or sewing needles. I would love to know which DIY is your favorite out of all the 4 I showed you in this video. I have some more DIYs planned out with my husband and I can't wait to share them with you guys. I don't want to say what it is because I want it to be a surprise, so make sure you're subscribed and have your bell notification turned on. I will say that it's something that's been highly requested, so you don't want to miss that video. Here's how my little set turned out. I added large needles in one container, small ones with matching hooks in one, and then hanging wire in another. You can even glam up your seasonings if you want. This is just an idea I wanted to share with you guys that love glam. If you're interested in any of the items that I shared with you guys, make sure you download Poshmark with the link in my description box, and don't forget to leave your closet name. This concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all your continued love and support. I hope any of these DIYs inspired you in today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care and happy holidays.